Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually install a satellite dish and antenna signal on one cable. So you have two separate signal cables, a signal from an antenna and a signal from your satellite dish. Two cables, and you have to connect it onto one cable and then get it at the receiving end. So this is how you're gonna do to get a signal at the receiving end. You can join the cables, you can join them and then let them work. So you can join them like this and then let them work. So the only thing that you need to do is to get a diplacer or a signal combiner. So you have a tool that will allow you to add these two different signals from different transmission onto just one cable. So on the signal combiner right here, we have the antenna port over here and then the satellite port, and we have the receiving and then the giving port. So you can receive from this port and you can also give out from the same port. So you need two of this to do this type of installation. Alright, so all you got to do is to connect one cable from the antenna another one from your satellite dish, the LMB that will be receiving the signal, and then from the LMB cable onto the satellite port. And then your antenna comes to the antenna ports right there. Then here you connect a cable, or you connect it onto the cable that they have already laid. Onto the receiving point, and then connect another diplacer at the receiving end. Alright, and here to just spread the signal to each device respectively. So you have an antenna receiver over here, you connect it, antenna receiver, and a satellite receiver. Alright, so as you can see, we have from the antenna and the LMB right here onto the diplacers, and then at the receiving end you spread it onto each receiver respectively, and you are good to go. So that's it. If you find this video helpful when you're here, all you got to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.